In this video I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube in an Android car. So let me show you guys quick. Let me go to the menu. So you see this is YouTube. Sorry guys, but just my Wi-Fi is a bit slow. And now as you see guys, we are here in literally YouTube. So how we can do this? First what we need to do is we need to install this app, the Android Auto app downloader. To do this, what we need to do is we need to go to GitHub. I put a link to GitHub in the description of the video. Then scroll down. Click here on the plus for the releases. Scroll down. And select here the AAAD release APK. And make sure that you download this. I already downloaded it. Now, so we installed the AAAD app. After we done this, open the app. And in the app, install the Fermata Auto app. I already did that. Now, after you install the Fermata Auto app, what we need to do is to be able to use this app, we need to change some settings on your phone. So first scroll down. Type in here Android Auto, select it. Then scroll down. Select here version. Tap around 10 times here on version so you activate the developer mode. Once you've done that, click here on the three dots in the top right corner. Select developer settings. Scroll down and then make sure that unknown resources is selected. This will allow running apps on Android Auto that are installed from third-party resources. Then go back to Android Auto. Scroll down and select here Customize Launcher. And then make sure that here Fermata Auto all is selected. So now what we need to do is we need to connect our phone with a USB cable. So let me do that quick. And let me start the car quick. As you see, Android Auto is now starting up. And now as you see, we are connected. So what we need to do is we need to click here on the Fermata icon. Then click here on the YouTube icon. And now you can watch YouTube in an Android car. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. And then I see you in the next video.